What's going on, y'all? Ignore the messy room behind me for a second and just wait for the spin. Ooh, look at that. It's like it's Christmas up in here. We got all these PC parts, and we about to get to unboxing. You guys ready? Because I'm ready. Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? It's Treeman TV coming at you with another video. Today we'll be going into another, I guess you call it part 2 of the PC build that we've got coming up real quick. We finally got more of our parts. I know I'll link the first video where I talk about the power supply, the case, some of the peripherals, and a couple of other things, but we finally started to get some of the more exciting parts that'll let you know really how this PC is going to perform and what I'm trying to get out of it. So, to start this video off with, we'll just talk about our processor. We got ourselves an Intel i5 unlocked with 9600K. It's a nice middle of the road. I didn't need to go with the i7. I felt like it was just too much for what I was trying to do without upgrading more things like the power supply. So I went with a nice middle of the road i5. It's 9th generation, so it is the newest gen CPU. Not really sure what else I could tell you guys about it. I'm just so excited to use it. Is definitely the biggest thing I'll tell you about it. And I can also tell you how we plan to keep it cool. And that is with this bad boy right here. The Kraken X52 all-in-one CPU cooling unit. I am going water cooled. I thought about going custom loop, full on, just diving headfirst into the deep end basically. But I decided not to, mainly because this is my first build. But I still wanted to get water cooling in it, so I went with the AIO rather than just something crazy like a big Noctua air cooler. Just to get the water cooling and still kind of get my feet wet with how it works. And then maybe 6 months down the road, or whenever we do our next build, we'll fucking rip this thing out and go full on closed loop, custom loop. It'll be dope. But I've heard great things about the Kraken. It's available in this one, the X52, which is the 240mm radiator. It's also available in what I believe is called the X72, which is the 360 version of it. It's hard to see right here, but the pump has that cool infinity glass RGB look to it, which is all controlled through the CAM software from NZXT. So that's awesome. I'm excited to put that on this and get it all working. But now, let's dive into the meat of this video, which is going to be, I got 2 boxes sitting right here that just showed up from Amazon. And they are going to be, one of them is a GPU. I can tell you that right away. I'm not going to tell you what, so you can be surprised when I unbox it. But one of these boxes has a GPU in it, and the other one has another stick of RAM, some case fans, and a hard drive. So let's just get right into it and figure out which is which. Place your bets right now in the comment section. White box GPU or other stuff. Ooh, now I'm cheating. Hang on, I can't give you my opinion. I heard things sliding around in there. So, the first thing you're going to need in any unboxing video is a good tool. Also, don't hurt yourself unboxing things. That's a good first, little step. Is get yourself a tool, because tape is a son of a bitch, and then don't cut yourself while trying to unbox. Just kind of go with one nice slit, and then bam. These boxes from the Postal Service like to come apart. They're not trying to keep you from getting your stuff, even if they might throw it around. Alright. You guys ready? Better do it on camera so you can actually see something. God damn it! I'm unboxing failing. My hands are too fat. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Get the fucking box out of here, bitch! Just toss it like that. I'm showing you guys the backside on accident. This is my new graphics card right here. MSI GeForce GTX 1060. Woo! I am so stoked to have this thing. Y'all don't even know. Let's see. Is there any tape? Or can I kind of just get in here and Ooh, okay. Okay. I see how you are, MSI. I wish there's more room on this table so I could set this down and get you guys some better shots of it. Okay, I don't have any more table space, so what we're going to do is improvise. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Set it down here. And then pick this thing up and show you guys what this card looks like. Give me one. Alright, you guys, so this is the box that the 1060 comes in. Sorry if everything looks a little blurry. I don't have a professional camera. I'm filming on a Samsung Note 5 from back in like 2016. And there you go, that's why it all looks blurry. But let's just... Ooh, I heard stuff move around. Oh, wow. So there's some cables in there. We've got this thing right here to keep us from seeing the coolness. The coolness! There it is, baby. What is this? A little thank you for choosing MSI product? Well, you're welcome, MSI. Thank you for making such badass products that I chose one. And there it is, in all of its glory, in its anti-static wrap, and just glaring right back at the camera. You guys can't see anything. So let me try to pick it up. Ooh, it weighs a good chunk. It is in there. Bam, there it is. There's the front. There's those heat pipes you can see. Oh, this thing's awesome. Oh, there's a better view of the heat pipes. Well, not for you guys. The anti-static wrap is reflective as all hell. That's probably the best view of the card you guys have gotten right there. But we're not taking it out of the anti-static wrap because we don't want to damage it before we put it into the fucking system. So, on to box number 2. Alright, you guys, so here we are now with the second box for this unboxing video. That's right, you get 2 unboxings in the same video. How lucky are you? Smash the like button if you feel like you're so lucky that you got me to see unbox 2 things in the same video. If you're really lucky, you might get to see me like just slice a finger off. I hope it doesn't happen. I hope you're not that lucky. Sorry if that's rude. Hopefully I didn't slice through any of my components just now, too. Oh, yeah. Oh, thank God there's Instapack in the way. That way I slice through that shit. Alright, so in this box, since we know the graphics card was in the other box, we know exactly what's coming in here. We have this extra box for safekeeping. Oh, no, actually, I know exactly what that is. And it's not Instapack, it's big bubble wrap. That was probably loud, I'm sorry for that. But, what else is in here besides big loud bubble wrap? We got 2 of these. Get them out of here. I don't need to keep these in this plastic. 2 120mm RGB maglev fans from Corsair. These are going to act in tandem with the 2 fans on the NZXT Kraken and the 2 fans that came pre-installed in this case, so that we have the maximum amount of fans this case lets us, because it lets us have 6 fans. So we're going to have these 2 kind of be the ones that you see. They're going to go up on the top exhaust in the back, which you guys can't see what I'm pointing at, and on the front right here in the top part of the case. Since they're the RGB fans, that way they provide a nice little amount of ambient light. And then what else we've got here is this is our RAM. Let's see. Also by Corsair, the Vengeance LPX brand. I went with it in red, and it's 16 gigabytes total, 2 8 gigabyte sticks. Shut up, cell phone. I don't need people Snapchatting me while I'm in the middle of making an unboxing video. Might edit that out, might just let it run, because I like to be real with you guys. And then, last but most certainly not least, is the spot. Oh, I'm going to need the knife again. Hang on. Bam, just like that. This thing is super sharp, by the way. I got it for like 15 bucks at a knife shop, and it is the sharpest knife I own. But what is in this box right here, so it's like 2.5 unboxings, because one of the parts came in its own little box, is... Wow, this is an intricate box. I almost feel like I shouldn't have unboxed it. Too late now, though, right? Hang on. Sorry. Trying to figure out how this box works. There it is. There it is. Yeah, I did not want to unbox this one, apparently. The Seagate Barracuda 2 TB hard drive, also in an anti-static bag, just so it's super reflective and annoying for you guys to try to read anything on here. Does that help at all? There you go. You can see it says 2 TB and it's Seagate Barracuda. Woo! I tried to help you read. But I mean, I was nearly outsmarted by the box it came in, so don't expect a lot from me help-wise. Oh my god! This is the first box I've ever had that came with, like, instructions. All the YouTubers out there making unboxing videos, some of the boxes give you unboxing instructions. It just blew my mind. That's just wild. So anyways, guys, those are the set of parts that we just got. It is the last of the parts that we need. Most importantly being the... Okay, now I'm trying to struggle to rebox it. Oh, there we go. Most importantly being the graphics card. Sorry about that. Which is, once again, right here. I reboxed it. That's right. The first ever reboxing video. But I didn't make that video. I didn't see it. I did that off. You didn't see it. I did it all off camera. The next time you guys see me doing anything with any of these parts will be hopefully next weekend when I make the video putting all this together. And then you'll get to see the final outcome, and I hope you're as excited as I am to see it. The next video I upload, which will be me putting it all together, will be the first video edited on the new rig. So that's going to be dope. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned something new about maybe one of these parts, maybe you're looking at some of the same parts, I hope it was informational for you. If you're not subscribed, please be sure to subscribe. It helps keep the lights on every night. And if you like the video, definitely like the video. If you got something you want to say, maybe steer me in the direction of some other parts, comment it down below. I'm always open to everybody's ideas. Till the next time, this has been Tree Man TV, signing off. Have a good one, guys.